Good morning, Health Board. My name is Melissa Victory, and I'm a student in the Masters of Health Informatics programs at the University of New England. And this is my presentation for a diabetes database registry that I created for your use. As you can see here, I created 4 tables. One is the patient table, which holds all of the patient information, all of the patient demographics. One is the health stats table, which holds all of the patient's health information, including their height, weight, BMI, HbA1c level, systolic, diastolic blood pressure, current meds, what their fasting glucose, pre-meal, and post-meal glucose values are for each appointment that they come to. I also created a provider table which carries some information about the provider, including their licensure numbers. And then I created a table for the clinic that they are associated with, the providers associated with. In addition, I created several scripts which show some different information. This first script shows all of the patients listed in our registry and what their gender and HbA1c level is. These are sorted, as you can see, by gender and by descending HbA1c levels. The second script I created is for just for anybody who has an HbA1c level of greater than 6.5. As you can see, these are sorted in descending order of HbA1c levels by the patient identification. The other thing I did was created some users for access privileges to the database. As you can see, I've created, there's some extras here. Sorry about that. I created several users. So Fran is one of our users, and Fran's role is literally just to help create users logins and reset passwords. That's more or less all she can do. I also have Fred. Fred has more of a custom role, so Fred can create tables, create views, delete, index, and insert tables, as well as select and show views and update records. He has a little bit more rights than Fran does, as you can see. Jane is another one of our users. She pretty much has similar permissions as Fred does, except that she does not have the ability to delete anything. Our next user is Jim. Jim is our backup admin, so he has only rights available to back up the database. I also created John. John, again, has a custom role, and all that he can do is see some of the views that we created in our database registry. So his role is very limited, as you can tell. Then there's Melissa, myself. I have full rights. So I'm the root user in this database, and I have full rights to do anything and everything available throughout the database. I did also create a backup of this database registry just to make sure that we are able to have the information that we need where we need it available, and I will provide a copy of that. So I hope that's been an interesting presentation. I hope that you might be interested in my diabetes database registry for your health board use. Thank you so much.